Hello and welcome to NextMatter Tutorials. In NextMatter we often talk about workflows and instances. Today I'll show you how they are different. Think of workflow as a template with steps listing what should be done and in which order. You can use this template multiple times to create multiple specific instances. If you use a complaint workflow, each complaint from a customer will create a separate instance. Imagine we run a cafe. To handle customer complaints, we've built a complaint workflow in NextMatter. This is what the workflow looks like. The steps of the workflow are here on the left. We start the workflow whenever a client logs in a complaint. Now I start it manually by clicking the play icon, but it can also be started automatically. Now, Henry Smith creates a ticket saying he's not happy with the coffee we served. He enters this name and surname and describes the complaint. This creates a specific instance of the workflow. Another instance will be created when John Blake creates a ticket complaining about the color of the chairs we have. As you can see, all instances are listed under the workflow. If you click each, you'll see details of the customer complaint. Customers can use NextMatter as an external portal available without logging in, or they can use a ticketing system. In this case, the details of their complaint are automatically transferred from the ticketing system to NextMatter. So workflow is a template and instance a specific case for which this workflow is used. If you like this tutorial, visit us at nextmatter.com and try NextMatter free of charge.